son did some scratches. He took a rock and scratched up my girlfriend's trunk. So right now, I'm in the process of gonna buff it out with some Pro Speed compound. Hopefully, most of these scratches will come out. I'm gonna use a flex polisher with orange pad and Meguiar's Pro Speed compound. Okay, so this is the after. I buffed it out, the deep scratches that was here. I got most of them, I got all of them out, basically. All these light scratches that was here. So now I'm gonna go over this side here and buff it out to get these scratches out, put a little pressure on it with an orange cutting pad and a flex polisher. I'm gonna finish up here, get this, compound it. Then I'm gonna put a little polish and a little wax, and that's it. But for right now, I'm still in the process of compounding. So once I compound here, I'll catch back, show you. Right, so this is the after. I got all the scratches out that was here, all the zigzags that was in the trunk that my son put, all the little designs. It's gone. I was able to buff all of them out. It all came out, and look at the trunk. It looks brand new. Just wanted to show you guys this quick fix that I did. All you need is, like I said, the Pro Speed compound and flex polisher, which is really expensive, but you can get cheaper ones. And that's it, and some compound. Try not to get on the silver here, because that'll eat up the silver. And look, it looks brand new. Just wanted to, show you guys what could be done with this, and compound and a little polish. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.